Hey guys, this is Jordan with Hardy House Games. Today I wanted to talk about something that seems a little controversial, especially in some of these online board game forums and like Facebook groups. I'm talking about using the term Ameritrash to define a board game. Now, to be totally upfront with you guys, I think I'm firmly in the camp that the term Ameritrash is fantastic. I don't know if I have the authority to say this, but I am an American and I just kind of love the term. It's kind of like calling things junk food. Are they good for you? Not really, but do you enjoy it? Yeah, kinda. I think Ameritrash games are kind of the same way. They don't always make you think hard, some kinda do, but they're mostly designed around heavy elements of luck and big dramatic moments. And I think that if you're in the right mood, that can be a pretty enjoyable experience, so long as you're not too emotionally attached to winning. I mean, some of my fondest memories with board and card games come from ones that most would deem Ameritrash. I don't know, I don't have anything wrong with using the term Ameritrash. But perhaps that's because I really love Euro games and you know, I kind of like bagging on some of the junk food. Oh, but it's so tasty sometimes. By the way, did you know we, Hardy House Games, are creating a board game of our own? It's an engine-building property game with a secret identity element mixed in. You can sign up for our newsletter using the link in the description or right here on the screen, and we'll give you updates on this project and others. We would be so grateful for your support.